I wanted to share with you today this lovely pattern that I found. It is a commercial pattern called Box of Stars, but there are a few things that I think that I could point you towards helping you make some accurate patchwork. I think it is an absolutely delightful pattern using the 5440 star block, but with a variation. As you can see, I've done just a small lap quilt with just 9 blocks, and the pattern gives you this option as well as several others. Now I need to recut this, so I would turn this round rather than have the rotary cutter coming towards me, and I would bring this up here so that you are very, very accurate. The other thing that I would suggest is when you cut all the pieces that you might like to do a sample block first.